Just what do you think you're doing?
Why are so many people going to Tatooine today?
You want to be next? No? Alright, then keep it moving.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
All transport hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen him?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
Starspeeder, we're looking for him.
Use our cartoon. Where are we going? Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you won't be able to be there. Artu, hit the brakes! Not this way, Artu! I'm sorry! The transmission. Now what?
By now you know that your Starspeeder is carrying an agent back to our memory card.
The spy?
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
What are you saying? This is madness!
Identify yourself or be destroyed.
Destroyed? Thank the Maker! R2 sent out a distress signal! Look out, R2! Hit that poor Captain.
Follow the ship. We're gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close. We're under attack. I'm not Star Tours.
On our own. And I thought I hated space travel. Brakes! Brakes! Thank goodness. Oh dear. I'm terribly sorry about that. Oh, come back here this instant and clean that up. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.